Hi, we're Bos Inox. We are located in Kaunas, Lithuania. Since 2006, we are offering our clients a variety of modern metalworking options, and we serve our customers both in Lithuania and abroad. Bos Inox uses modern technologies, which allows us to fully automate work processes and eliminate the possibility of human error. Bos Inox can offer not only metalworking, but also cutting with laser, tubular laser, and metal bending. Our experience and accumulated resources not only allow us to complete projects that require creating custom and unique objects, but also save a lot of time for our customers. Our customers praise us for our quality work, communication, problem solving, and delivering projects on time. Bos Inox,